Precision is digitally confirmed. Now craftsmanship meets final perfection.
Every surface is softened to perfection.
Only structurally sound pieces move forward.
Shape emerges from raw strength. Raw material enters the heart of production. At first light, the journey of transformation begins. Each antler is selected with precision before leaving the field.
Only structurally sound pieces move forward.
Raw material enters the heart of production. Every piece is measured and documented. Surface impurities are gently removed.
Now the material is ready for the next stage.
Material is gathered for its next journey.
Each load is secured for safe passage. Precision guides every transfer. From raw orphan to controlled environment. The next stage awaits inside.
Access is granted only after verification.
A bridge forms between transport and production. The transformation is ready to begin. The transcription is: material enters a controlled environment. Craft meets controlled industry. Time locks the bond. Alignment is verified. Human hands guide machine precision. Shape emerges from raw strength. Now automation refines the craft. Industry now moves with intelligent rhythm. Machines handle what hands prepared. Rough surfaces are refined. Heat gives way to stability. Precision is digitally confirmed. Now craftsmanship meets final perfection.
Every surface is softened to perfection.
Detail defines quality.
Time sets the final touch.
Now the work faces its final examination. Every detail must prove itself.
Precision is verified, not assumed.
Only perfection passes. Its journey is now officially recorded.
From testing to final presentation.
The final chapter begins.
Care protects craftsmanship. Every piece is secured for travel.
Finished goods await their destination. From factory to the world.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury antler guitars from start to finish.